Oh yeah, that boy got a good one.
Yeah.
Damn, I got my phone on me.
You alright? Shoot. Yeah.
Let me get a photo.
Right over there. They right over there. Hold on. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. That's good.
I took 3 of them.
How many that is? That 3?
I took 3 pictures.
I'm saying, how many I caught before you?
3.
3?
Let me hold that motherfucker.
Want some pictures?
Hell no. Yeah, give me one.
I know. Tell your subscribers you caught it.
I'm recording right now too on my GoPro.
Yeah. That night, that's I took 3 off.
Where you casting that motherfucker?
Right over there.
Trying to get a release on him.